Your aim isn't the only thing deciding fights anymore. Your mouse matters just as much. In 2026, sensors are faster, clicks are sharper, and weight is lower than ever. These are the gaming mice that actually give you a competitive edge. The Logitech G703 remains one of the most comfortable performance-focused gaming mice available. It's built around an ergonomic shape that fits naturally in the hand, especially for palm grip users who prefer a fuller design. The Hero sensor delivers extremely precise tracking with excellent power efficiency, ensuring consistent accuracy across fast flicks and controlled movements. Logitech's wireless lightspeed technology keeps latency incredibly low, making it suitable for competitive play without feeling delayed. The build quality feels solid, and the clicks are tactile and responsive. It also supports PowerPlay wireless charging for users who want a cable-free setup long-term. While it's slightly heavier than ultralight esports models, it offers strong balance between comfort and performance. If you want a dependable all-around gaming mouse, check the description below for links and pricing. The Razer DeathAdder V3 Pro continues the legacy of one of the most iconic gaming mouse shapes ever created. It features an ultra-lightweight design while maintaining the ergonomic curve that many competitive players prefer. The Focus Pro sensor inside offers extremely high precision tracking, allowing for accurate micro-adjustments and fast flick shots. Razer's wireless technology ensures stable, low-latency performance, making it ideal for esports titles. The optical switches provide crisp, fast actuation with excellent durability. It feels refined, responsive, and built specifically for serious, competitive gaming. If comfort and precision are equally important to you, this mouse remains one of the strongest options in 2026. You'll find the purchase links in the description below. The Razer DeathAdder V4 Pro builds on its predecessor with refined performance upgrades and improved sensor responsiveness. It maintains the ergonomic design that suits palm grip players, but trims unnecessary weight to enhance agility. The updated sensor offers higher tracking stability, especially at high polling rates, making movements feel incredibly fluid. Click response is sharp and consistent, and the wireless connection remains stable even during intense gameplay sessions. This model focuses on incremental improvements that competitive players can actually feel during fast-paced matches. It's designed for players who want top-tier performance in a familiar, comfortable form factor. If you're looking for the newest evolution of a proven design, check the description below for links and availability. The Pulsar X2 is built for players who prioritize ultra-lightweight performance. Its symmetrical design supports multiple grip styles, including claw and fingertip grips, making it versatile for different play styles. The lightweight construction helps reduce fatigue during long sessions and allows for faster movement control. The sensor performance is precise and reliable, delivering accurate tracking across a wide range of sensitivities. The clicks feel crisp, and the overall build quality is impressive for such a light device. It's especially appealing for competitive FPS players who value speed and responsiveness over extra features. If you want minimal weight without sacrificing performance, you can find the links in the description below. The MCHOSE L7 Ultra Plus brings competitive performance at a more accessible price point. It offers a lightweight design paired with a high-precision sensor that handles fast movements and fine adjustments effectively. The shape is comfortable for extended use, and the wireless connectivity provides stable, low-latency performance. It's designed for gamers who want modern features like high polling rates and responsive switches without paying flagship prices. While it may not have the brand recognition of bigger manufacturers, it delivers strong value and solid performance for competitive play. For gamers looking for a performance-focused option that balances price and capability, check the description below for purchase links. The best gaming mouse in 2026 comes down to your grip style, weight preference, and how competitive you play. From ergonomic comfort to ultralight esports performance, there's a perfect fit here. Subscribe for more gaming gear reviews and check the description below for all the links.